Sardinia, set in the very center of the Mediterranean. Over countless centuries, wheat has been a staple component of the peasant food tradition, handed down over the generations and forging both the culture and lifestyle. In the Pastificio di Sardegna, the pasta is made with a distinctive character and flavor. Here, what makes all the difference is the experience and passion of the chief pasta maker. Indeed, the hallmarks of good pasta are its quality and its resistance to cooking. 5 separate production lines are in operation in the Pastificio di Sardegna. Each of them produces the pasta mix and then transforms it into pasta of various shapes and sizes using efficient, state-of-the-art machinery. The dies determine the texture and shapes of the finished pasta types. The 5 lines produce 52 different pasta formats, long and short, including classic, special and typical shapes.
In ogni singolo pacco di pasta è impresso un lotto di produzione che consente al consumatore di verificare l'origine del prodotto, addirittura il tipo di miscela di grani utilizzato per la sua produzione.
We remain faithful to these flavors, renewing a strong link with our origins to be found in the name and taste. Pasta di Sardegna, our very own pasta.